Nhọpụta nke a ga-eme na Saturday House of Assembly kedu ndị a ga-atụrụ ma a ga-atụrụ ọkịta aka fapụtara gbagharịbakwa na-ayọ biko na-egbu ikpere na-aga ebe niile onye ma ndị si na ha abụghị egwu evawo before no I don't take that nonsense ọkịta ejegọrọkwa biko ọ biko ka a nọ n'ọnụ ahụ a na-egbu ikpere nke mere eme kedu ka o si were isi ndị mmadụ na-eme ọ ga-eji kpagharịa yawa nke a ka a tụrụkwarị ya na ndị otu ya onye kpọrọ mmadụ ka mmadụ ga-akpọ mmadụ ọ bụghị mmiri rire gị ịgbaghara yawa biko akwụọrụ gị mmiri ọ na-akwụ irighị ikunikwa iwere odogwu ọkwa kwuru na Peter Obi ama win more than 25% in more than 3 states na Nigeria. Onye na-achị Anambra steeti onye kwutere ihe niile na-ese okwu ọ sịrị nwere Peter Obi na-eje na ọ win before onye nwere 25 na onye na-enwetewu 25% ọ bụkwa na onye emeri no inweta 1/4 of the votes in 3 states in Nigeria also not 3 ka ọ dị ife agbakọtara ya na ọ na-agbada o nwere ike by the end of no nweta anywhere enwe kpọọ result ka gbọọ result gịnị mere Peter Obi wee nwee mmeri na 12 states ndị ọsịrị ọfa ga-ewin APC na PDP Tinubu win ya 12 states Atiku win ya 12 states Peter Obi anwa a na-ekwu na onwe ebe ọ na-eje win ya na 12 states ọ na-edeclare akwara ya ọkwa ya win election na Nigeria wee nwee 25% na 20 states Peter Obi nwee 25% na 20 states ọ ihe onwe 1/4 of the vote na nke akpọrọ akpọ etiri result ya etu ọ dị Peter nwere 25% na 30 states emebie onye ka ya wee kwucha n'ọnụ ebe ije na kọwakwa ekwe aba tụọrụ gị ka ahụ nke gị na onye ndị House of Assembly ife izi ọ ga-eme state broadcast apologize ya to ndị Anambra State apologize to ndị Igbo apologize ya to Peter Obi ọ bụrụ about your personal convenience he played God in a matter that touched our existence as a people kedu ihe o ji ndị House of Assembly eme ndị ga na-akwado ya ka o wee mee gịnị Peter Obi is now the leader of the political movement in Nigeria not ndị Igbo he is now the beacon of hope in Nigeria. He is the person everybody is looking up to in Nigeria for salvation of this country. This is the man he undermined. When I was to on a meeting the teacher. When meeting up by my friend. I'm a report of all the meetings on Akbo since last Sunday. I'm following him, I'm monitoring him. Even I remember exercising futility. Because now nobody is out here or Lamani. Or out here. And House of Assembly are property of a governor. The executive and the legislature and the judiciary are meant to be independent of each other. So that the executive recklessness, like he has demonstrated in Anambra State, will be checked by the legislature. So in all nonsense.
Right.
We want independent legislature in Anambra State, so that when he begins to do what is not right, the legislature will checkmate him.
Right.
So even the cook had to call here, even the one man and they impeach, 18 the labor may impeach, and they may impeach for what? If you don't commit impeachable offense, nobody will impeach you. If you are afraid of your shadow, you begin to think about how to muzzle and control the legislature. So if he's above board and is clean and is confident in himself, that he knows what he's doing as a governor, he should go and face his work. The legislature will do its work. These lawmakers are not going to be rubber stamped to anybody.
Okay.
So what he's looking for is a legislature that will be rubber stamped to his government. That's not what we want. I'm going to the National Assembly. I'm coming back to that later. But let me tell you, the only way democracy can thrive in Nigeria is when you have independent legislature, independent judiciary, then the executive arm of government. They are meant to checkmate each other. Have you seen it? So when somebody is afraid of his shadows, he begins to seek control. I want to use this opportunity to tell our people not to pay attention to such a cry. It's crocodile tears. tears. The Governor Soludo doesn't need House of Assembly members to do his work. It is better that we have an independent legislature that will put him in check. Even the insult on Mother and his arrogance will be checkmated by the House of Assembly. He will be cool-headed. He will not do his work. I do not support any impeachment of any governor, but I do not think that a governor needs a rubber stamp legislature for him to work.
Okay.
Peter Obi was governor here for the first term. His first term, he was governor here without any ABGA member in the House of Assembly. When they tried to impeach him early after 8 months, they did it successfully because of their number. They failed because at the court will set it aside. And he remained governor for the 4 years he served without any member of ABGA in the House of Assembly. And he succeeded. So it's for you to know what you are doing. If you don't have skeleton in your cupboard, you allow the legislature to float, to move on, do its own work.
All right.
And that is the only way you can have a robust democracy, when the legislature is independent, the judiciary is independent,
right.
and the executive arm is independent.
Distinguished Senator Victor OFR.